don't deserve this. Children on the streets got nowhere to go. I don't deserve this. People on the daily keep feeling low. I don't deserve this. You took me through the day in your embrace. I don't deserve this. Cause even when I sin, you give me grace. I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this. I'm running through my mind like every day to find some peace, but I can find it.
Hi guys, so this is my final product. I know it didn't look so good, but I have worked so hard. This is the morning after. Say hi. The birthday boy is here. Say good morning. Anyway, so Ihan's birthday is tomorrow and we're just trying to do so many of these things. I think I mentioned on my Instagram, my Insta stories that I'm living on a budget, so I'm not going to have someone, I'm not going to pay someone 1.5 million or 2 million for decor. What's wrong? Why are you cranky? Anyway, yeah, so this is done and now I want to try this and put Ihan's name. So let's see how that goes. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing like a haul for you guys. I don't know if I should do it now, but I'm just not oh, I just looking like sleep, but I think that's okay, so I guess I'm going to do that briefly. Ooh, what have you done? What have you done? Yeah, so let me get into that. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm trying to look for a list so that it makes my work easy. I'm back with a little bit of an unboxing. I don't know if I should call it that. And I've just remembered it's been so long since I had, this is all the stuff I have to show you. Yeah, since I had one of these sit down videos and blah blah blah. A few videos has been vlogs, so today it was a bit exciting for me to come back and sit here and do a video for you guys. Anyway, I was saying I'm not about to spend tons of money on decor and everything. I have seen budgets. I've talked to certain decoration people, and for the number of people that I think might make it for the birthday barbecue, because we're going to do a barbecue, nothing big. It's a chick baby's birthday, so anyway, yeah, and the number of people that we had for, I hope or I think we'll make it for the birthday, the budget was crazy. Nothing below 1.5 million, and that I'm not about to spend that money. Anyway, and then I like to be involved in my son's life and everything that happens, so I think this was perfect for me. And I was doing the DIY earlier when I showed you. I don't know if this looks like, does this look like a one to you guys? Does it? I know it doesn't look so good, but I'm proud of myself. I tried. I worked so hard on this from last night. Anyway, yes. And I wanted to show you guys what I got. First, I can't find my list, but then anyway, I got a few things at a very good price. I had to, I'm using natural lighting and it's about to rain, so now as you can see the lighting is a bit dim, but let me just hurry up and get it done. So first I'm going with a theme color of light blue, gray, and a little bit of gold, like a hint of gold with white and nothing. First I got is it table covers? Tablecloths. Sorry. Yeah, I got these. I don't know if you can see them. They're more like a linen. Yeah. I wanted a plain one, like plain white, and just linen plain white, but they don't have that. People think this is better, but I had to just go with that. I got 6 of these. They're really huge. And then I want to use napkins, like paper napkins, because children are a bit ooh, the lighting is just not doing us justice. Okay, so I got these, and each is 3,500, excuse my bad nails, 3,500 shillings. I got this in gray and blue and gold. So these were 3,500 shillings. That's about $1. I'm gonna find the details of the shop, and I got about 6 packets of these. Whoa. Hey guys, I am back. The lighting, the rain is all done. I think you can hear all these things. Anyway, so I'm trying to look for the golden bit of this, but I can't find it. So I got this gray, blue and gold, and then I got this. I got this each at 10,000 shillings. This is the spray paint. I think it's permanent. Even if it's not, I don't mind. It works perfectly. So I got black and gold. And this is basically, I'm going to do this. I've started doing the DIYs. It looks so good, right? It does. I'm so proud of myself. Haha. I've been talking about doing all these things for my house and stuff, but I had never got myself to buy this stuff. I need to go and get more colors of this. And then I got this gift bags, small tiny gift bags. That they didn't have a light gray, they didn't have a plain gray, they didn't have a gold, they didn't have white. So I got these. The rest were just too many things going on, and I like to keep it simple. So I got this. There's 12. I intend to do small gift bags for the winners of games. I don't even know what games I'm going to do. And I see most of the birthday parties, I see mothers are the ones that are playing with their kids and stuff, and I'm just so bad at that, but I hope I can survive tomorrow. So this is what it looks like, and there were 15,000. I think they're 15. No, they're 12 in a pack. 12 in a pack at 15,000. Then I got balloons. Oh, I got this ribbon. This is gray. This is what I showed you guys earlier. So I was trying to do this. I'm going to write Ihan's name. Imagine I almost misspelled my son's name. Who does that? Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to do this, but I think I'm going to do it with black. It looks better for me with black, not gold. So I got this. I got one roll, and it was 7,000 shillings. And then I got this party things, this cake, whatever they call them, those ones at, I can't remember, but I think not more than 10,000. And it's a packet of 6, the long ones. So I got, sorry, we already opened this. So I got this balloon. I got white only. They didn't have a gray. They were out of a gray, they were out of gold, and they were out of blue. So I just got the plain white. I got 2 packets, and it was, my god, I am so bad. It was each pack was about 4,500, and there is 100 pieces in here. This is still one shot. And I got 2 packets of that, and then I got this for the balloons. I am not about to blow 100, 200 balloons. But what I'm going to do is we're going to spray a little bit of gold on the balloons. Actually, that's why we'll open them. We spray them, then we blow them up tomorrow at the venue. Yes, I haven't gone to the venue. I haven't seen it. I don't know what it looks like. I've seen a few pictures, but you know, I haven't gotten the exact feel. So I hope I don't get there and there's the location I'm thinking they cannot place the bouncing castle, and then all those things. Pray for me. Anyway, and then I got candy. I got so many things of candy. From this, I won't lie, where I got this, I can't even tell you, but I just know it's downtown. So I got this. This has a caramel something. There are 200 pieces. I don't know if that was Ihan, because it's down for a nap. Then I got these. I don't know how many these are. I think 200. Then I got some lollipops. Then I got this, some chocolate and more candy. But in total I spent about 2,000 on candy. Then I got biscuits. I got this pack and it's really cheap. I got it at 8,500. I want to do some DIY thing with that. I will show you guys, but I don't want this video to be so long, and I think it's gonna be so long, so let me try and hurry through. And then I got mini cupcakes, like really tiny cupcakes that I'm going to ice myself. For the icing, we are going to do, we've got some icing sugar. This is from Jazz and it was 5,400. We got some this stuff, and this was yeah. And then what else? So if the video is not that long, I'm going to show you guys. Then I will have this video up and then I'll show you how it turns out at the venue. I really hope it looks nice because I'll be so disappointed and I don't want my day to just go like because I've done so much. I really want it to work. It's the first birthday. Usually I was thinking I'm going to just buy cake and then have it at my house and my sisters and stuff, but my family is big and Eddie's family is big as well. Ihan's family is big and everyone wants to come and celebrate, so we had to do what we had to do. I'm thinking if I've forgotten to show you guys anything. So we are using the serviettes. I think this is the napkins or whatever, serviettes or paper napkins or whatever. Anyway, so this is what the gold kind of looks like. So we're going to do these things and then hang them and put balloons. I don't know if what we have in mind is what is going to really replay. It's time for prayers. Somebody has to pray. I think you can hear that. Anyway, yeah, so this is about it for today and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to keep doing more videos. I have missed doing the sit down videos, but I also love doing the vlogs, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching it, and be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye.